The birthday list begins with Sky Dewey as he is celebrating his 8th birthday. Sky, I want you to have a marvelous day, kiddo. He's in Chanute.
Next, out of Pittsburgh, Elizabeth Falk, also turning 8 years old. Happy birthday, Elizabeth.
We should get birthday coffee there.
Looks like it.
Ain't bad. Amory Skaggs celebrating an 8th birthday as well. A pretty cool picture right there, Amory. She is in Seneca, and I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Mom and Daddy, Aspen, Tyler, Olivia, Ava, Boston, and Nanny. My goodness. That's a lot of family members right there. Happy birthday.
Next, out of Riverton, we have a Riverton middle schooler, Raiden Lindsay. Raiden's birthday was on Friday, and Raiden turned 12.
On to the teenage years, because Kaylee Wixon is celebrating her 13th, a little Baxter Springs Lion Pride right there. Kaylee, a very happy birthday to you.
Nayali Baldwin in Oswego is turning 14, so happy birthday.
Time to take a trip to the DMV and a Sweet 16. A very happy birthday to Madeline Balloon. Madeline, I hope your Sweet 16 is wonderful. She is in Fort Scott.
Gerard Sr. Bramborn turning 18 today. Happy birthday, Bram.
Trojan Pride right there. Tristan Nesbitt is turning 25 with the cake and candles to prove it. Tristan, a happy birthday to you in Oswego.
Then out of Fredonia, we have Victor Harbers turning 42 years old.
Hold on.
What?
First rule, boat captain is never wrong. Second rule, refer to first rule. Love it. Happy birthday, Victor. That's tremendous. Debbie Jones turning number 51. Miss Debbie in a world full of princesses. Yes, indeed. And Debbie celebrating in Moran.
Then in Fort Scott, we are celebrating Larry Oplotnik.
And we're not done with the Oplotniks yet. We're going to revisit the Oplotniks here coming up in just a little bit. And Larry's got some splaining to do on his 66th birthday. So Larry, stay tuned. A happy birthday to you, first off. Well, I love Larry, but also too, I got a question for him here in just a little bit. So don't go anywhere, Larry. Enjoy your birthday. Jennifer Westervelt, she is celebrating a birthday in Columbus. To Miss Jennifer, we say a happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Also, celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh, we have Nancy Garzone. I love that shirt. It's like a St. Patrick's Day.
That is very cool.
Happy birthday, Nancy.
Happy birthday,
I love
Nancy.
that sweater. I hope you're wearing that today.
Jack Dutton is celebrating his 63rd birthday. Jack, a very happy birthday to you in Joplin. Mickey Alexander, a happy birthday in Erie. And Mike DePay is celebrating his 61st in Chanute.
All right, we have Gary Oplotnik.
Uh-huh.
I see what you're saying now.
Uh-huh.
He's turning 66 from Claremore, and he's Larry's twin brother.
So, and I'm not even calling out Gary on this one. I'm calling out Larry. So Larry, we got a picture of you, right? Okay. Okay. You take that up with Gary here later on. I see how it is. But a very happy birthday to both the Oplotnik brothers. Joshua Page, party on in Fairland. We got a 21st on our hands. Y'all be safe down there and have a good time. John Haggerty had a birthday over the weekend. He's in Pittsburgh, and for John, we're just like, he's 70-ish. He's somewhere in there. It'll work. And let's give Glenn and Barbara Wilkerson their own screen right there, because they had a quite a milestone as they were celebrating their 65th wedding anniversary. Congratulations to both Glenn and Barbara as they celebrate in Cherokee. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this March the 21st. Now here's Bronte Sorosky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And you can even get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.